Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix Steam Workshop not downloading mods on Windows 10. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, look at the upper left corner and click on Library. This will show you all the games you have installed on your system. In the left panel, find and right-click the game that's having issues with Steam Workshop downloads. Then select Properties from the menu that appears. This opens up all the detailed settings and options for that specific game. In the left sidebar of the Properties window, click on Installed Files. You'll see several options here, but the one you need is Verify Integrity of Game Files, so go ahead and click on it. This process checks all your game files to make sure nothing is corrupted or missing, which can often cause Workshop items to fail downloading. Now you'll need to wait for this verification process to finish. Depending on the size of your game, this can take anywhere from a few minutes to longer, so be patient while Steam does its work. If the verification didn't solve your problem, we'll need to adjust your download settings. In the upper left corner, click on Steam, then select Settings from the drop-down menu. This takes you to Steam's main configuration area, where you can modify various system settings. In the left panel, click on Downloads. Here you'll find all the settings related to how Steam handles your downloads and updates. Look for Download Region. Right beside it, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click on it and pick a nearby server from the list. Sometimes your current download server might be having issues or experiencing heavy traffic, and switching to a different one can resolve download problems. After selecting your new region, click Restart Now. Steam will close and reopen automatically with your new settings applied. If you're still experiencing issues after restarting, scroll down in the download settings until you find Clear Download Cache. Right beside it, click on Clear Cache. This removes temporary files that might be causing conflicts with your downloads. A confirmation window will pop up, so click Confirm to proceed. Steam will restart again after clearing the cache. Lastly, if none of the previous steps worked, we'll try unsubscribing and resubscribing to your mods. In the upper right corner of Steam, click on your username, then select View My Profile from the drop-down. In the right panel, click Workshop Items. This shows all your Workshop activity across different games. Now in the right panel, click on Subscribed Items. This displays all the Workshop content you're currently subscribed to. You'll see all your subscribed Workshop items listed here. Click on the specific Workshop item that isn't loading properly. Once you're on the items page, hover your mouse over the subscribed button and it will change to unsubscribe. Click on it to remove your subscription. Wait a moment, then click subscribe again to re-download the mod. This fresh download often fixes any corruption issues that were preventing the mod from working properly. And there you have it. You've now resolved the Steam Workshop download issue using one of these methods. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.